Hello everyone, we are Team J002 of ES114. Graphviz is an open source tool through which users can create graphs using simple text based language called DOT. Understanding complex relationships in data is important in various fields from project planning to AI, and therefore we use Graphviz to visualize dependencies, hierarchies, workflows, and now let's talk about key features. Simple DOT language, which define graphs with minimal syntax. Multiple layout engines. We can choose from dot, Nito, FDP, and more for different layouts. Custom styling. We can modify node shapes, colors, and edge styles. Various output formats. Export graphs as PNG, SVG, PDF, and more. Subgraphs and clusters. We can also organize large graphs into logical sections. Python integration. We can generate graphs dynamically using Python.
Now let's start with a demonstration. We have two methods by which we can create graphs. First is through the text editor method and the second is through Python method. First we'll see the text editor method. Here I've opened Notepad. You can also open VS Code or any text editor. We've written this code. Digraph means directed graph here. Example is the name of the graph. Here we have directed nodes like from node A to node B to node C to node A. Then we'll save this file in the form of an extension of .dot. We'll open the command prompt. We'll save the path here of where this file was saved here. And then we'll type the next line. The DOT is the file extension of the code we have written. PNG is the file extension we want as the output. Graph.dot is the inputted graph file name. Graph.png is the output file name. Here is what it will, here is the graph.png file. It is. Now let's demonstrate through Python. First we'll import digraph from the Graphviz library. Then we'll assign the variable name dot to, we'll assign digraph to dot variable. We'll use dot node to create a node. Here we have created an F node. We have then assigned a name. Then we can assign a shape like ellipse, rectangle, diamond. We have assigned the style filled here to all three nodes. We can also assign fill colors. Then we have created edges from this dot edge. First edge is from F to G, F to H, G to H, like that. We can assign the names to the edges over here, and we can also assign the colors to these edges. And finally, we do dot view to see the graph. Let's do it. So a PDF opened. This is what we got, which is exactly what we had in mind. And cut. Thank.
My name is Kalp Shah and I will present the conclusion for Graphviz. So Graphviz simplifies complex relationships with intuitive graph visualization using the dot language. The dot language is quite a simple language and the Graphviz software is ideal for workflows, data structures and networks. It offers great flexibility, customization features and seamless integration with many languages such as Python and R. It is essential for developers, data scientists and researchers to use this sort of softwares. So use cases for Graphviz are in software architecture, network mapping, and biological research. For software architecture, it is used to map services, how services and databases interact. For network mapping, it is used to visualize network topologies such as mesh topology, star topology, etc. For biological research, it is used in protein and gene interaction networks. If you want more information regarding Graphviz, you can check out our blog where we have many more examples and use cases. Thank you.